Hello, friends. So look what we got here today. I got a couple visitors that just dropped in. They're neighbors from a town that's not that far away from me. And they thought they'd stop by, and I answered the door. And here we are.
We feel like we know you. So, like you've helped us so much with your videos. I feel like I know you already because, we just watch all your videos. You've helped us so much. And to see your operation close up, it's like, I feel like I've been here.
Get to meet you. Get to meet you in person.
That is great.
Your help.
The world, this is the master right here. Because if you don't already know that, I mean, he's
an awesome teacher.
He's inspiring to us.
Very inspiring.
You know what's really funny about when I started my channel? I had no idea if anybody was even watching.
Oh, wow.
Because it took about a good year or almost 2 years for it to really start to take off.
Oh, wow. Okay.
So I'm making all these videos and I have no idea if there's anybody there watching.
Okay, well, there definitely is. It's just like I feel like definitely watching. You're such an awesome teacher and helped us so much. So,
hey, everybody, this is Mr. Poodle's giving us a hard time down here.
Yes,
that's why we're moving all over the place because he is.
And I'm Eddie, and this is my wife Val, and we're from Conroe, Texas, just right now.
Richard Rudolph.
Right down the street.
Nice to meet you.
Richard.
Yes.
It's a pleasure.
Yes, we heard you were moving away, and we just had to come and personally thank you for your videos before you left the country because it's such a treasure to hear so close to the house.
Yes.
So
I have a lot of stuff that I really have to sell before I get the chance to move. So I think it's going to take a while to do that. So I'm going to continue to do my Sunday videos for probably, it's going to be a while. It really is going to be a while.
Okay. Yeah.
And even after that, I still plan on maybe doing some live chat videos or something where, people they can, come in.
That would be wonderful.
Ask questions.
Be involved with that.
And
lots of questions for you as things
it'll be a live chat. Yeah. So, the questions that come and go really fast.
Well, I'm glad you're not going off of your movie, but at least you're going to keep up with your upholstery because it's such a great help to us.
Yeah, well, I really have to because, that's going to be my income. If you find value in my upholstery tutorials, now is an easier way to contribute to my YouTube channel. Buy a coffee by scanning this QR code now. Thank you. Because I'm not going to have any Filipino income on my video that I just did that you saw. Everybody's telling me, well, you should take your sewing machine with you to the Philippines and you should do this work and this work and this work and this work. And I'm like, well, the idea about retirement is not working.
That is true.
We looked the island up where you're moving to.
Oh, Palawan,
Yes, we looked at
What do you think about that?
It's awesome. It's awesome.
Yeah, it's going to be lots of water, nice to the water and everything. So it's going to be beautiful.
Yeah, I was talking to the lady that we're getting the land from yesterday. And, that's where she grew up. And she saw the video because I showed it to her yesterday. And she says, you see that? And that when we're looking at in the video right there, she says, it's just like that. You see the turtle there? It's just like that. Wow. You see that sunset? It's just like that.
That's beautiful. That's beautiful.
That's so awesome. It's so awesome.
Everybody I've ever met from the Philippines, I just love them. They have awesome personalities. They're just awesome.
I know some people from the Philippines. And they're just wonderful people.
So I'm sure, haven't met your wife, but I'm sure that she's an awesome person too, of course. But everybody I've met from the Philippines, I just love them. They're awesome people.
Yeah, so the other thing that they tell me about is, well, you should make like boat covers, or you can do this, or you can do that. You can make clothing for the natives, right? They're like, you could do all this stuff. And I'm like, well, first of all, I don't want to get paid in their currency, in the pesos, right?
Yeah.
I want to get paid in dollars, not pesos.
Well, does that make sense?
So,
for sure.
Anything I would ever do there as an income, to me, with our standards, right, dollar standards, is really not worth it. It's not even worth it.
That makes sense.
My wife, she says, well, maybe we can start this business. And I'm like, well, you probably really don't even have to, because what you're going to make, well, first of all, you have to invest into the business, and then what you make out of it is just going to be a net zero. So, probably don't even worry. Let's retire.
Yeah.
Let's enjoy
the rest of your life.
Exactly. Enjoy the retirement season of your life. You worked hard to get there.
People, they tell me, you got to keep on working. And I'm like, well, I've been doing this almost 50 years now. You know, I think I've done enough.
Well, I'm excited to
You
know.
barely look 50.
Really, I'm excited to know that you'll still be able to contact you when we run into 5 questions, or you can still continue the teaching part. It doesn't.
Questions.
Yeah, because I really, I felt good. Oh, we just right up the street where I went to the prom. Said, oh no, you're going to the Philippines. We still can keep in contact and do your live chats and ask questions. So as long as you're keeping up not doing the labor part, you're sharing your knowledge.
Yeah, you know,
knowledge.
it's really about people have questions,
Mm-hmm.
and that I see that all the time in my comments.
I read your comments all the time. Your comments are actually helpful.
You're a really good teacher.
Yeah.
I mean, just the way you detail.
Well, you know, the thing is when I'm working, I just have a video camera there,
Mm-hmm.
you know, and that's kind of how I started this. I thought, well, I could just do the work that I've been doing all the time, every day.
Mm-hmm.
It's just I have a video camera there now.
Yeah.
But it does take me about twice as long to get something done.
Because, sometimes the last video I watched, I'm sorry, I'm just working here. I forgot to tell you what you're doing. But I like the fact that you keep through every...
You might want to come in here.
and you keep in every detail. And you come back and explain everything. And some things you might think don't need to be explained, but you go through every detail to help us. So
yeah, well, that's the other thing that's my bad. Is sometimes I get so focused on what I'm doing.
mm-hmm.
That's when you see, like, when I get quiet.
And you're going 90 miles an hour.
Yeah.
And I'm like focused.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, that's the other thing is, before I always thought, well, I don't want to waste people's time. So if I'm doing that something like a long process, I'll speed it up 600 times.
Mm-hmm.
And that's what I did on a lot of my old videos.
Mm-hmm.
But then people started telling me that they prefer the long form video.
Mm-hmm.
Even if it takes a long time to do something, they want to watch it.
Mm-hmm.
So that's what I've been doing for a
I
while.
can't tell you how many hours I've watched your videos.
I mean,
Seriously,
you
I've
wouldn't
put in the time watching every detail. So I'm thankful that you do slow down, and something that's repetitive that you don't want to watch, you can just fast forward.
Yeah.
And
We don't watch TV. We watch Rudolph.
yeah, seriously, we do. So again, I'm just so honored to be here because I feel like I know you. You're my mentor, and I just wanted to come personally. Thank you for taking the time. I know it takes a lot to put the videos into.
Yeah, I do spend a lot of time, that's for sure.
Yeah.
As soon as you posted that video yesterday,
Mhm.
I said, baby, let's go up there and meet him. So we were an hour drive away, and I said, let's go meet him.
Yeah.
Because we didn't want you to disappear without being able to say hello.
Yes,
Well,
that's for sure.
That's pretty crazy. I'm sorry, but I'm blushing a little bit. Throughout my life, doing the kind of work that I've done. If you've ever been on my website, rudolphupholstery.com,
Yeah.
you'll see 45 years of my work there.
Mm-hmm.
And I've done a lot of work for famous people in car museums, auction companies. I have a car that's in the Peterson Automotive Museum in Los Angeles. I had some Pebble Beach winners in the 1990s.
That's pretty awesome.
So, in the 1990s was when I was the prima donna, right? I was doing all the classics. And they were big in the 90s.
Yeah, what an honor.
But anyway, I met a lot of famous people, and I was kind of like you, and I'm like, well, matter of fact, and sometimes when I would meet somebody that was famous, I wouldn't act like it. It just, you're just a regular person, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, your face looks really familiar because you're famous, but, you're a person.
Exactly.
That's why, you kind of put me in that position now, and I'm like blushing here.
I'm sorry, but you have helped me so much. You deserve it because the time and effort it takes to film everything, it really is appreciated. So,
and you've mastered this art. It's like,
and you've mastered the teaching on the channel where
man.
people like me, I'm like, I'm afraid to make a mistake because it's not going to be perfect and all this stuff. But your video where you say for beginners, do it once, you get it, do it second time, do it third time, and and it's just like, just do it.
Yeah, I would say, it just gets better and better.
Exactly.
The second one always turns out better than the first one.
Exactly.
The third one always turns out better than the second one.
Exactly.
Learn from boobies,
Yeah.
He just bought a truck and the head opened up the door. The headliner.
Yeah, the headliner is sagging. It's like, this old
and I'm just like, okay, no problem. I know exactly what to do. I'm not looking forward to all the scraping, but it's got to be done.
Headliner videos all over again, over and again. We're ready.
We're definitely ready. So
yeah, what's funny is people, they'll say, well, you ought to make a video about this particular thing. Or like say a front seat on a 34 Plymouth, right? And I always, of course I can't. So I always kind of just say, well, maybe one day I'll get that customer. That's all I can really do. But really, the work that you see me doing on my videos is actually work that's coming in through this door. Raking customers are coming in, and so I don't have to invent anything.
You don't.
I just do the work.
The airboat cover. Yeah,
that was incredible.
That was really interesting to watch. It looked like it was a lot of work. It was lots of it. It was like,
and it was hot outside.
Yeah,
you climbing up down the ladders. I was like, wow.
Yeah, in Texas, and I was like, man, it could use some help holding some of that stuff.
It was like in the upper 90s. I remember it was really hot.
Definitely.
Climbing on that thing was like, I felt like a monkey on a tree.
Yeah.
Looked dangerous.
Yeah, it did look dangerous.
Yeah, in the mornings, the dew and the moisture and everything made everything real slippery.
Yeah.
So I was kind of concerned.
And then
but, I do my own stunts.
The humidity was like, oh man, he's out there. It's hot out there.
That was a great job.
Yeah, it really was a great job. And to have the technique to, so where to get your measurements from and where to start, so it's worth watching you do this. So
we like all your videos from starting from scratch with no pattern.
Yeah.
I've got a lot of old trucks with seats in it with no fabric, but nothing but the bones.
People, they ask me about that too.
Mm-hmm.
They'll say, well, what do you do if you don't have a pattern? And I say, well, just use your imagination. Imagine what it was like when it was there.
Exactly.
And that's where you start.
That's right. And I just feel like you've helped me so much, so I appreciate it. So I'll get closer to you. But I'm just so glad to be here and meet you.
Related.
This is the
spot. The master.
And you have the camera right above the sewing machine too. So and
it's cool being here, everybody. It's like
yeah, this is it.
It's like we're in here. It's like y'all see it all the time on YouTube, man. But this is.
I'm sorry, but I mean, this is just like also blowing me away because I never get to hear any of this.
Oh wow! Yeah, I guess you don't.
I'm here by myself every day.
Speaking to the camera.
Yeah, I'm talking to the camera. Yeah. I'm not talking to people.
Wow.
So
and you feel like the same. It's just like even though I don't in the camera, it's like I know you already because we watched all this stuff. So imagine you willing to share your trade is helping many people all over the world.
And apparently because I get a lot of the comments where people will tell me that I'm helping them, and
believe it.
Yeah, I guess so. Apparently I am.
Yes,
and it's a good feeling.
Yeah, because you're leaving a legacy.
You are leaving a legacy.
Yeah,
this is a legacy.
So thank you for sharing your skills. Because you are leaving a legacy.
Yeah, because those videos, you'll be teaching people 50 years from now.
Yeah, as long as the YouTube's up, right?
Yeah, as long as YouTube's working, you're right. Yeah, man, God forbid something happened on YouTube. That'd be awful.
Videos will be there.
Yeah.
Yeah, so...
God forbid.
The 40 years ago, I was told that upholstery was a dying art. And I still hear that. But I was hearing that 40 years ago.
It's probably even more so now.
But what's so true now, is that a lot of the oldies now, they're gone.
That's true. Sure is.
And I was one of those at one time. I'm going to reveal something on my 100. I said I was going to do my 100 subscriber video.
Yeah.
Then I'm going to reveal something that I never really told anybody before.
Oh, so I can't wait for that video. We're not there yet, but we're going to get there, right?
Yeah, we'll get there.
Okay, good.
Getting there. Over 80 at this point.
Over 80. Awesome.
That's awesome.
You'll hit.
Yes.
You'll hit.
You will.
I believe it.
Yeah, I believe it. With some of our car friends too, we tell them about stuff. Oh yeah, we watch him too. So you're in the upholstery world. You're pretty well known. Yeah, but you're very well known.
Well, yeah, that's just crazy for me. Mm-hmm. It's hard for me to hear this.
We love. We'll turn the TV off and watch YouTube, man, and it's you.
Wow.
Yeah. It's over and over and over again. Watch it. Like, baby, which one you want to watch tonight? And we'll watch 3 or 4 or 5 in a row.
Yeah.
Oh, I like that.
We do, and then we'll go back to the ones that we really, we want to learn more. We watch again and again and again and again. I mean, it's just, you can't get enough of it, So
yeah, but his truck collection that we got, there's going to have lots of room to practice. Lots of room to practice.
Lots of old trucks,
Yeah.
old cars.
Oh, that sounds
some old T-birds.
Sounds so great. Yeah.
Old.
I love old cars.
Old rods. Yeah.
Yeah.
So.
It's got T-birds and and Novas and the old trucks.
Oh wow.
41 two-door coupe.
And the Apaches and the Ford. We got the Fred Sanford truck.
We got an old Fred Sanford truck. Yeah.
And the Power Wagon. Really want to keep the Power Wagon though, but yeah,
bunch of old Apaches.
There's lots.
Yeah, during my time, I probably went through about 100 old cars myself.
Wow. Okay.
And they're all gone. I mean, you can see some of them on my website.
Yeah.
But they're all just memories now.
Yeah. Well, hey, they're good memories, though.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you have
we
pictures.
had a lot of good times with a lot of those old cars.
Yeah.
I love old cars. Always have.
Yeah, he does
nostalgia and memories.
Sure.
Yeah.
And my 55 Buick Roadmaster 2 or hardtop.
Oh,
did you get one of those?
Yeah, it's on my website. On my if you go to my website and it says Rudolph's Virtual Museum, it's really like a biography.
What color?
It was tritone red with a white middle with a black roof.
Okay.
Yeah.
So my dad had a 55 Roadmaster.
Oh, really? Two-door?
Yes.
Really?
Yeah.
Hardtop.
Back when I was a little kid.
So you know what that is? Yeah.
Yeah, I know what it is. Yeah, So.
And we were talking about nostalgia. So
yeah,
I remember getting in those cars. I had a 57 Buick Century also. And my thing was getting in the car, turning on the radios to the oldies, right?
Mm-hmm.
Listening to like big band music or
the
or
era of
whatever.
your car. Yeah.
Yeah,
Right.
and you're driving down the road and you're in a time machine.
Exactly. Yeah.
You're in a time machine.
you are.
It's so cool. There's nothing, everyone's like,
Go pull into
honking at you down the road. It's kind of
Go
fun.
pull into the next A&W.
Yeah.
Get your root beer float.
Yeah. Go through the drive-through. They don't do roller skates anymore. It's still, that's cool.
Well, folks, thank you so much.
Oh,
Hey,
I appreciate you taking the time.
Man.
Yes.
To
It's been
help me with this video.
It's been an honor meeting you. So.
Wow.
Well,
Yeah. On my favorite person's video. This is cool. I never thought we'd be making a video with my hero, my teacher's hero.
I'm blushing again.
Well,
You are, man. I'm telling you,
but my future is
your name
so
is
much brighter since
spoken every day in our house.
Oh wow, that is crazy for me.
You're number one on my subscription YouTube person, so you're my number one subscription.
Yeah.
No,
I
seriously.
gotta show. Wait till I show my wife this video. She's gonna think my head is this big.
Well, hey, he deserves it.
Haven't met.
Mrs. Rudolph.
Yes, yes. Hope I get the pleasure of meeting you because I love Filipino people, and some of my best friends were from the Philippines.
Yeah.
So,
Well,
so she's got to be an awesome person.
Mr. Poodles.
Mr. Poodles here. He's out of the camera, but he's been at our feet here the whole entire time,
Yeah.
haven't you, Mr. Poodles?
Yeah, and the smaller one, he must be older. It's over there
Miss
sleeping.
Nipples, the wonder
Miss
dog.
Nipples, yeah. He's not too interested. She is, but it's super cool. But
Can you see?
Oh,
There
there he is. There he is. There he
is
is.
Mr. Poodles.
Man, he likes all this attention.
Oh, he
Yeah.
loves the
His
attention.
fur's so soft and curly. He's got that curly hair, but his fur's so soft.
Yeah, he's great. He's
Yeah.
the best dog ever.
Yeah.
Well, everybody, thank you for watching here to the end, and I hope you appreciate this video as much as I did. My gosh, I'm just still shocked, to tell you the truth.
It's a privilege to be here. I'm just so honored to meet you. It's awesome. It's awesome.
Okay, so you know what we always say at the end of the video?
Oh,
Until next time,
until next
we'll
time.
see ya.
And that's it. That's it. Yeah.
If you like this video, you'll really like the next one.